Hey guys, I'm gonna be jumping this monster truck that you can find here, and it's right there on the map. So I'm gonna go take it down by the road. It has like horsepower and everything. As you see, that's where I lost the hood. So I'm gonna take it down here. I'm gonna try to stop moving. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna just go down the road, and as you hear, it's pretty loud. Okay, here we go. So that's the monster truck pretty much on GTA, and you can find it at that location I had it on. It's just like a beast at everything. Like, it jumps and has, as you see, if it turns from both wheels, and it's just like a beast at everything it does. Yeah, the frame might break on it, but it's just like a fiberglass frame, so it'll fall off, but you still have the metal. And it destroys cars. As you see, I made a jump where the other cars can jump. But this is like a rare spawn, but I'm in director's mode, so it's like not rare. And over here, that's a rare spawn too. There's always one of those upgraded trucks here at that point of the map.
Get it.
But the monster truck's much better. So, for you guys, I'm gonna just take it up the mountain here and jump it down. So I'm gonna take it right here. So here we are. So I'm gonna take it down over here because there's like a big nice area over here. If I'm careful enough, this thing has good brakes, so I'm gonna take it down over here. Can't drive nowhere without wrecking cars, just saying. Alright, I'm gonna jump it off right here. See, it practically destroys the truck, so if you get bored of it, I'll take it down here last. So as you see, it's just like destroying the monster truck. And I think it can, like, run over the train, I think. It's so good at climbing and stuff that it probably can run over the train. Like, it won't move the train, probably just be able to drive on the side of the train. So, train tracks are here. I think the train's just about to come. Yeah, so let's see if this works. So yeah, that doesn't work very well. But it does work good for running over stuff. And another rare spawn in the game is over here at the gas station. See, I told you I can't go nowhere without wrecking. sometimes there's like an old looking car here that's really nice. It's by the upgrading shop over here. In my next video, I might do UFO found in the water, because I found a UFO in the water over here. So I might do a video on that. Leave a comment if you want me to put a UFO found in the water video. And let me know, guys, what car you want me to do next. Like a rig, camper, or like a sports car or something. Just let me know. Leave a comment. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.